Hey everyone, welcome back to the Civic project. Today I'm gonna do the side skirts. I really don't feel like it. It's raining lightly, it's cloudy, might not rain on me, I don't know. But we gotta get it done. So be patient with me. I'll show you how I'm gonna do it. Once I explain how I've done it, I'm gonna speed through the process and speak to you guys. So here we go. They're the side skirts. These are the screws that came with it. Now, just to let everyone know, I'm bolting them on just for my painter, just for the car to get transported. He will remove them, paint them, urethane underneath them, and put them back on for me. All right? Now, what we got to watch out on is when I put the side skirt up, if I put it too high, the door won't be able to open, right? And the Civic had side skirts on before, as you can see how the paint's peeled from over there. The old side skirts are broken, I don't know. And there's self-tappet screws everywhere. Holes been done from my old side skirts. Damn, from this end I can see more dings. Hopefully my painter gets all that out. Now, I should remove this wheel to drill over here, right? Because I'm not going to be able to get it in. I'm going to try my best. I really don't want to remove the wheel because that means jacking up the car. So let's give it a try. You might see me jacking up the car. Here we go. Alright, so now I've got 2 screws in front and 2 screws in back, right? Now, look at this. So if I push underneath, it bows. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it because I'm thinking urethane the whole thing and it'll be solid. For now, just to get it to paint, I can stick some double-sided tape in there. Simple. Oh, and what happened here? So I bolted this flush. No, I might put one more screw here. And it pushed it to where the door was touching. The guard got pushed in. I knew the guard was going to get pushed in, but I cut it, made some clearance. Now it's fine. See what I mean, guys? Nothing's perfect out of the box. Now, you could say, oh, screw it from underneath. Now, I was thinking that, but literally any screw I do is going to bow it up. So, double-sided tape. That's how you should actually do it. You're meant to actual double-sided tape the whole thing. But I don't want to do too much because it's going for paint. They have to come back off. Let's get this wheel back on and do the other side. I might put another screw in, we'll see. All right, so they're on for now. Just remember, everybody, this is do as I say, not as I do. All right, because the car's going in for paint. Okay, I had to trim a bit here. Maybe I'll get the boys to sand that off because I don't got a sander right now. Normally, I would buy thick double-sided tape and line them up from in here and down there, 2 lines. But because the car's going in for paint, I just put a thin strip right here. A little tiny thin strip just to hold it on. Just for a few days. So 2 bolts there, 2 bolts at the back. And what I'm gonna get my painter to do is urethane. Because all this body kit eventually with double-sided tape comes all off because of the heat. So I want him to urethane all this body kit because the last thing we want is for one of these to come off. You know what I mean? Yeah, the wheels had to come off at the back. I couldn't get it screwed in. I couldn't get a great angle. Looks pretty good. This can go up and down, don't forget. Oh, it's stuck, but this one didn't need much trimming, but it will get trimmed. Looks all right. Needs paint. The bumper bar's next. Give it a thumbs up.